Okay, so let's talk about what tools I use in my like overall while I'm building this AI product. The first tool is Claude. Claude is basically where I like do my brainstorming as well as code generation. And the second is the coding agent. The coding agent which I use is VS Code as well as Anti-Gravity from Google, because these are like Anti-Gravity is pretty cheap. I got it in just like $5 for a month. But I use all the free plan from Windsurf, Cursor, and all these coding agent platform. I've already used it. So my tech stack, if I talk about what I'm using, so if you see, I'm using for a front end, I'm using Tailwind, Shatkin UI, Supabase, and for building, I'm using Polar SH, and I think that's it. Yeah, that's it from a tech stack. It's everything I'm building in Next.js, so that's a one. And apart from that, what's the biggest problem with the coding agent is that if you don't provide them a clear answer, and if you're using a cheap version of coding agent, not Cursor are pretty, I think it's pretty intelligent to understand your intent. But apart from that, like if you go for uh like anti-gravity or something, they're gonna mess up your code. So make sure how you want to use these codes is one of the bigger thing. uh and I think one of the bonus tip before I end this video, how to use a tip to use agent is that you generate a code, provide a proper direction from the Claude, copy that and put it in the agent, and agent will do the exactly same what the cursor usually do. So you're gonna save tremendous amount of how you're gonna pay, how much you want to pay for the tokens. But that's the thing. But also make sure you use token and put it in my, initially I forgot to use the token in very minimal way. I use it like whatever it comes in my mind, I just put it in the chat or ask the question. But now as I'm moving forward, I'm making sure that I don't use too much of tokens, because these tokens are really important to me. So how much token I use, it's completely based on like my strategy I'm moving forward. But once you start doing this, you start getting into the things like, okay, how you gonna utilize your token, because that is like really important. So make sure like how you gonna use that. That's it. So yeah, that's it for day two. See you on day three. Peace.